Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see behind me, and as you've seen in the heading of the video, this is how the dribble bar tanker works. So I'm holding the camera now so I can point it out where I want to point it. I think it's easiest, and it's a bit windy out, but I hope you're able to hear me. So I do, I hope you are. But first things first, we'll start looking at this. So it is very dirty now. It needs badly wants a wash, as does everything around the place, but hopefully now I'll get it done. So I suppose first thing we'll look at is in here. So this is, you can see the valve, or the, oh Christ, I can't think of the words, this yoke here, turn off valve or whatever you want to call it. So all that does is it diverts the oil. So as it is there, it's opening this lollipop, which is for the macerator, so it'll blow it out into that. That's the macerator there inside of it, chops it out the pipes in a way, and then when you turn that down, it directs the oil into this for the splash plate. Not that we use the splash plate too much with it. And then down here is, as you can see there, this little box here, that is the electronic diverter for changing the oil from the macerator to the arms. So that will light up red, this yoke, when I have the switch turned for the macerator, and when it's not on, it goes to the arms automatically. So that's that. So we'll go around and look at the back of the tractor. So that's it. There's my pre-macerator that I've never used. So we come around here then. So we have our pipes. These are our cables going into the tractor, and that's the light switch. And we have two pipes here. These two, I just shoved them in there. They're for the pre-macerator. We never use. We don't bother plugging them in. I think some of them are actually damaged, or one of them is damaged, I'm not sure. But then we have, that's the brake line. So we have the two pipes for the lollipops, and we have the two pipes for the arms and the macerator. So we get into the cab then. In the cab, and we have our power supply and our switch for changing from arms to macerator. So switch it, red light comes on there, and the red light will be on that thing I showed you earlier on. And that's that. We also have another plug here. This one is on a lighter cable than that one. Is for a power supply for a work light on the back of the tanker if we ever need it. I use it once or twice. It's grand, but in all honesty, I probably could do with another one to actually be able to use it at night. So right now I'd want to hang this up or something, but we'll get ready to spread now. So into gear. Like to be moving when I get at this now, so I'll figure out which way I plugged in these pipes. Yeah. So pull that with that on, down goes my arms. Arms down. Switch over then to turn on the macerator. Want to start moving, otherwise it's just the tractor, the injectors need to be done, and it just lacks a bit of power when it comes to this kind of work. So we get moving. I'm in spread. So then I push, I open up my lollipop, turn on my supply, and then I start using my macerator. My macerator seems to be sticking. Wet so it is down here. The tractor's just getting hard to pull it. So I have one pipe not turning for whatever reason, I don't know. But that's it anyways. When you get going then, you just keep switching, and this is where I run into trouble. So I'm just spreading the last of a bit of our own ground. Just spreading the last of it. So that's how that works. So your macerator, and what I normally do, I hope you're able to hear me, the thing's very loud. So then when you come to the end, you turn that off, you shut it, yep. You shut your lollipop, and you turn around and you go back down again. So I hope that answers your question on how to use the tanker, the dribble bar tanker. It's hard to do with holding the camera in my hand. But it's once you get used to it, it's fairly straightforward. It becomes very easy once you get used to it. It takes a bit getting used to, because it's just 2 or 3 things you do in a row. So I have to open it on the PTO and then turn on the macerator. So it does take a bit getting used to, but this again does the job lovely. So I'm going to leave it at that now. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video has been some benefit to you. That's it from me. Good luck.